In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the call display light problem on your Redmi 9 caused by a proximity sensor issue. This fix will help your screen behave correctly during calls, turning off when you hold the phone to your ear and turning back on when you move it away. First, restart your Redmi 9 to refresh the system. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix sensor glitches. Next, check if your screen protector or phone case is covering the proximity sensor located near the top of the phone. Remove or adjust them if needed, as they can block the sensor. Go to your phone's settings, then select Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find the phone app and clear its cache and data to fix any software issues. You can also test the proximity sensor by opening the phone's dialer and dialing #6484 #4636 to access hardware tests. Note: these codes may vary by region. Run the proximity sensor test and see if it responds properly when you cover and uncover the sensor. If the sensor isn't working, try calibrating it using third-party apps from the Play Store designed for sensor calibration. Finally, make sure your phone's software is updated to the latest version in Settings, and then About Phone, then System Updates. If none of these steps work, the sensor might be faulty, and you should visit a service center for repair. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more easy Redmi 9 fixes.